Hi, my name's Scott. I'm glad you stopped by. Today we're looking over Holy Stone's mini drone. This is the HS210F. It is rated for ages 14 and older. Let's go ahead, unbox it, show you everything you get, and we'll test it. It's got adjustable speed, altitude hold, 360-degree flip. Okay, it comes with a charging cable, which is USB, extra fan blades, a manual, your single battery here, a screwdriver, and this is your remote control. Just a standard remote control. You can change your speed by pressing this button. You can do flips with this button as well. Of course, you can learn all of that with your remote control. And you can learn all that in your manual. On-off button is right in the front or in the back, depends on how you look at it and perceive. It also comes with a little pamphlet that you can see and learn what controls does what. The remote will take 3 AAA batteries. When putting the battery in, you might push it and you might think it's locked in, but push it until you see everything blinking. And of course, on-off button is going to be right here as well. So this is what it looks like. Okay. So it does have auto hover, which is pretty nice. It seems to be pretty easy to control in a like a short area where there's not much room. It seems to be pretty quick as well. So I am liking this a lot. It's definitely very quick. So and you can change the settings to make it faster or slower. In a closed area like this, where there's not much room to fly, you definitely want the speed to be slower. Oh man, it's actually a lot of fun, guys. It is a lot of fun. So overall, it's a lot of fun. You definitely don't want to fly this when it's windy out, or you will probably lose it because it's so lightweight. But yeah, it's a lot of fun.